Welcome to retirement life. Say it, Lily.
Interrupted me.
Say it loud.
Welcome to retirement life.
Why do you got the hat on there?
Because you only wear it.
I only wear it on the boat because I don't want to get my head burnt. Thank you, sweetheart. We're shopping at Kroger. Lots of boats out here. Lots of people too. Could be a busy cheeseburger festival during the day and then concerts at night. Go Blue! Sorry. Go Blue, go Lions! Go both teams! Yeah. It's hard to hold still at 20% in. My goodness. Gotta really go slow. Just into the beach though. Got two boats and a ski jet trying to get out. And you got this guy in the ski-doo. Got this little doggy on video. Hi, puppy. Good. I can't. I've been waiting in line with the baby. That's tough. Sheriff over there. One coming out. Got one going in. Got a good big old pink raft there. We have one like that, but we can't. To blow it up and put tide down, it's too much work. There's people doing a jet ski. It's a busy time of year. Doing the cheeseburger. Everybody and their brothers out here. Look at all these boats. And a lot of these boats got their bimming tops up because they're leaving them unstrapped. Oh, he's coming back in. He must not have it leveled then. They have their covers off. He doesn't like the way it's sitting. He's back down. I wouldn't have backed down. He's just redoing. Just waiting for it to settle. Yeah, go out and push it over unless somebody from the dock helps you. This poor guy's trying to get in there and can't. It's hard to. The wind is so strong. It's pushing your boat around and it's pushing the water, which is pushing the current, which is making it very hard to do anything out here. Ski-doo. This guy's doing a pretty good job of getting the ski-doo out of there. One hand grab. White didn't have to do anything. I gotta go sideways down there. I gotta go sideways down that way into my dock, and the wind just pushes me off the dock, which makes it very difficult. But it is what it is. Let's see what they're doing here. Oh, they're going to drive them up. Sheriff right there. He's gonna power drive him. Sheriff doesn't care, I guess. Gotta do what you gotta do. See if there's a better angle.